Welcome to another quick tutorial on Domino 1. In this particular instance, we will be in Domino Flow, but this applies to Claro as well. What we're going to look at today is the preview function, and specifically, well, either of the preview functions actually. Up at the top here, you can click on either current page or full page. We'll do another video about comparing on device, but we'll go to current page and we will check out a preview of this particular short project. This is just one page, but it's got scrolling content and a background image on the page. And what we can do is we can use these icons in the upper left to automatically see how it responds responsively. And you'll notice that these two blocks right here, those wrap and the text wraps, and it all looks pretty good. Oh, except we have kind of an issue there with community, but of course that's something we can fix later as well. But what I really wanted to show you today is the custom feature of preview. So if you take a look here on the left-hand side of your screen, you'll notice there are a lot of options. You can absolutely very specifically target different sizes of devices for your training projects. So if your company, let's say, for example, has standardized on a particular device size that you know for sure all of your customers, clients, users will be using to view your course, your content, your learning content that you develop in Domino, you can go ahead and select any one of these. And so you can see what it's going to look like on a 900p 16:9 monitor. You can see what it's going to look like 1080p on 16:9. If you get down here to different devices, you can check out, what's this going to look like on an iPhone. There you go, an iPhone, the Max. What's it going to look like on the iPad Pro, for example? And what if somebody takes their Pro and turns it sideways? This is exactly what it is going to look like. And also, a lot of Android phones, because they're obviously much less expensive than Apple devices, get used in a commercial sense. And so you'll probably be connecting with, if you do have a company that standardizes on a particular tablet, for example, for field workers, folks that are out traveling a lot and just need access to training while they're on the road or visiting customer sites, things like that. You'll probably be connecting with a lot of devices like this. You can pick that particular device size and then also rotate it to see what it's going to look like in landscape. It's a great little feature. Again, you can use the quick icons here in the upper left to just get an idea of how your content is going to wrap. And last but certainly not least, there is a tiny little gray bar here on the right side of the screen that allows you to pixel by pixel basically drag in and drag out the size of your content, so you can watch it very, very, very specifically, every little detail of how your content is going to respond based on the size of the browser window on the particular device that's being used to view your content.